What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Palantir Technologies with the ticker symbol PLTR. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's see what the market participants are doing, and you can see that we did see a technical bounce off this prior support of about $66. This is where price bottomed out before it went into a huge rally. And now we're finding support off the same level once again, which is a good sign. However, you have to look at the other side of the story, which is the bear case as well. Price is it did break through the downward trend line, but it could come back below it. As right now, it's not, so that's a good sign for the bulls. Another good sign is that we have one leg down right here, second leg down, and the bears were trying to drop price all the way to the $47 level, but they failed at that technical support of 66, and we did see a massive move up higher. So generally, you'll see a another attempt down, but that's not guaranteed. We could just have already trapped the short. So if we see a break above $99, most likely it's going to come back all the way up to the 120s. So looks like shorts could be trapped. They're losing the trend line. They might lose that measure move target. So let's see what happens, because we did see two micro moves down, one leg down here, pull back, second leg down. So that could be the second attempt right there. But generally on the macro, this is just one leg down, and we could see another large attempt down as well, but it's not guaranteed. So it looks like bears are losing steam, right? Their aggressive buyers are stepping in. It looks like price wants to move up higher. It had a technical support bounce. It looks like price is trying to get above the EMA and stay above it. This could be just a little consolidation for another leg up higher. So let's see if we get a break above the 99. Then I would expect price to come back to this prior high and potentially even exceed it. So as right now, it's looking okay. Looking at the weekly chart, last week was a very bullish week. It was an engulf candle. It basically ate the last candlestick because it broke below it and then broke above it. So it engulfed the prior candle week, which is a good sign for a reversal. Generally, you'll see these big candles at, reversal zones. So for example, right over here, big green candle led to a huge rally. Big green candle right here led to a huge rally. This one's kind of a decent sized green candle. It was marked the bottom of the correction. So a lot of these big green candles happen at inflection points. It looks like at turning points in the stock. So let's see if it continues to go higher. As right now, it still looks pretty good. Let's draw a trend line across. Somewhat broke this trend line, but recovered it. So that's a good sign right there. So that's all I have for Palantir's Technologies on the daily and weekly charts. Overall, still holding up very well in the market. Let's take a look at the drop. About 50%, almost 46%. So decent sized drop already. So as right now, we just see a nice bounce. Looks like it's trying to move up higher. Let's say we do continue down lower. Watch out for the $66 level once again, because that could be a triple bottom where we could bounce from. If it fails, then look for that measure move target at the 47. So all I have for Palantir Technologies on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.